Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Let's discuss the important updates that has happened in the live market today. Before going to that, let's check it out how the closing of market index has happened. Nifty 50 has gave a 0.45% positive closing. That means nearly 90 points has been gained up. So it gave a closing at 19,783 points. When coming to Sensex gave 0.42% positive closing, that is 275 points has been gained up. 65,930 has been the closing price for Sensex. And similarly, when coming to Bank Nifty, it has been 0.24% positive closing. That means similarly 104 points has been gained up. 43,689 points is the closing price for Bank Nifty. Today we have an important update from Tata Technologies IPO, which is scheduled to open on November 22nd. This is a significant event marking the Tata Group's first IPO in nearly 2 decades. Let's dive into the background of Tata Technologies. Tata Technology is a global engineering service company that provides product development and digital solutions to original equipment manufacturers, we call as OEMs, and their Tier 1 suppliers. Established in 1994 and headquartered in Pune, India, the company boasts a strong presence in automotive sector while also expanding its expertise into the aerospace and heavy construction machinery industries. The Tata Technology IPO aims to raise 3042 crore through an offer for sale of 6.08 crore equity shares. The price band has been set at 475 rupees and 500 rupees per share with a lot size of 30 equity shares. The IPO will be open for subscription from November 22nd to November 24th, and the shares are expected to be listed on both NSE and BSE on December 5th. Tata Technologies has demonstrated consistent financial growth with revenue increasing from 2,381 crore in financial year 21 to 4,414 crore in financial year 23. Net profit has also seen a significant rise from 239 crores in financial year 21 to 24 crores in financial year 23. While the company's growth trajectory has been slower than some peers over financial year 16 to 23, it has shown marked improvement in the last 3 years. The automotive sector, where Tata Technologies holds a strong position, is expected to continue growing in the coming years. Additionally, the company's expansion into the aerospace and heavy construction machinery industries provides further opportunities for growth and diversification. The Tata Technology IPOs has been met with positive investor sentiment as evidence that the strong grey market premium of 350 rupees. Several analysts have recommended a subscribe rating for the IPO, citing the company's healthy financials, strong percentage, and improving margins and ratios. While Tata Technologies presents an attractive opportunity for long term investors, it is crucial to consider your own risk tolerance and investment goals before making any decisions. Diversification across your portfolio is also recommended. Before taking the decisions, always consult financial advisor. Today we have an important update from Tesla. Yes, you had it right. The EV giant. We have an important update which was a major development in Indian EV. Tesla is reportedly set to enter the Indian market with plans to start importing electrical vehicles next year and establish a manufacturing plant within 2 years. This is a major development for Indian EV market, which is still in its early stages of development. The Indian government is reportedly close to finalizing a deal with Tesla that would allow the company to import its EVs into the country at lower tariffs. This is a major breakthrough for Tesla, which has been struggling to enter the Indian market due to high import duties. Tesla is also planning to invest around $2 billion in a new plant in India. This will create jobs and boost the manufacturing sector in the country. Tesla could also source up to $15 billion in auto parts from India. This will help to develop the Indian auto parts industry and make it more competitive on the global stage. The entry of Tesla into the Indian market is expected to have a major impact on the EV industry in the country. Tesla is a leading manufacturer of EVs, and its entry into the market will help to raise the awareness of EVs and drive demand. This will also put pressure on other market automakers to invest in EVs and bring new models to the market. Overall, the new Tesla entry into the Indian market is very positive for the EV industry in the country. This will help to accelerate the adoption of EVs and make India a global leader in the EV space. Today we have an important update from Strides Pharma Sciences regarding the US Food and Drug Administration approval for its drug called Levetiracetam Oral Solution. I will be discussing the company's plan to launch 60 new products over 3 years in the US. Strides Pharma Science is an Indian pharmaceutical company that develops and manufactures generic drugs. The company's stock price surged 4% on Tuesday after the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) approved its levetiracetam oral solution. Levetiracetam oral solution is used to help control certain types of seizures, including partial seizures, monoclonic seizures, and tonic-clonic seizures. The product will be manufactured at the company's facility in Bangalore, India. Levetiracetam oral solution is bioequivalent and theoretically equivalent to the reference listed drug RLD. The approval of levetiracetam oral solution is a major milestone for Strides Pharma Sciences. So the company expects to launch approximately 60 new products over 3 years in the US. This is a significant expansion of the company's US business. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more update videos every day. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel.